Hello everyone! Ako po si Bukang Liwayway, Chieftain Administrator ng Limuntado Dumagat Tribe of NCR and Province of Rizal ng Tribo Dumagat Limuntado. Good day again to all of you. Warm greetings in the name of our race and spirits of our forefathers and in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. We come into this platform for the simple reason that we wanted to be seen and recognized, not to be ignored and neglected. This move that we are going to step into is not designed to put our government into shame and ridicule. Yes, that is true. It is letting them know that we did this exposure to explain the poor plight of the indigenous people here in the Philippines. Because we were given the cold treatment in addressing our grievances when we exhausted all our efforts to arrange the legal and pertinent papers for our organization, the Limuntado Dumagat of NCR and Province of Rizal, to acquire and secure its certificate of confirmation, transmittal. We're running in circles in spite of the 15-day grace period given by the government to department and agencies to avail for a reply for letter communication. The speed of access was turtle-placed. If you don't follow up, they seem not care. Yes, it's already 3 months. That is why from 2022 until now, our approval for our organization will be finally decided come January of 2026. Yeah. That's too hard. In which we can be assured of the positive outcome. Of course, we fight through our rights by the Indigenous People Right Act 371 and our customary laws, in which we can be assured of the positive outcome. For we have done all the logistical arrangements of protocol or procedures as per form of NCIP requirements as prerequisite requisites for the approval of the certificate of confirmation of our organizations. We wanted to expose and express our bitter gripes and sentiments that the Indigenous Peoples' Right Act of 1997, IPRALU, which becomes Republic Act 8271, and labeled as a special law. But they always told us tailored to guarantee and respect and recognition of the inherent rights for us were ignored. This is not only, they said, pinagbibigyan lang kami. Sit aside, snub, brushed off, and disregarded. So, here we are now, boast of hope. And we wanted to play for help from you people who are not selective of race and creed to throw out your unconditional support and assistance, giving us a chance to grow for the evolution of development and progress. We have heard of good Samaritans, amiable philanthropists, benevolent benefactors of trying to find legitimate poor beneficiaries and foundations, that you could share your blessings specifically, the indigenous peoples to shower your huge and substantial dormant accounts to be given to the needy. Here we are, the Limuntado Dumagat of NCR Province of Rizal, to convey our sincerest desire and expectation that you could grasp a glimpse of understanding that is being felt by us as a collective group of people living as a community who really have less in life. Rest assured that by the time that you could visit us Actually and personally, your very eyes could see the truth that all the things that are being said and exposed truly came from our hearts and are not designed to deceive and mislead anyone. Thank you, and hoping that you could see the deepest meaning of what we have imparted. Bye for now. Best wishes and good day again to all of you. Again, Bukang Liwayway, a tribal meaning of sunrise. Arlen Ferrerias, Sectoral Tribal Chieftain Administrator, Remontado Dumaga Tribe in NCR and Province of Rizal. This is the meaning. That's why blog is the reason of what we call of that for the social media platform, because this is a hard time of our life. Every Filipino indigenous people here in Dumagat Remontado is a very hard to please and to arrange and to play a help from the DNR NCR and the Department of the NCIP. So that's the reasons why we come to social media platform, just because I don't want to be invisible through years already. 7 to 8 years, the indigenous people, especially the Dumagat Remontado, is not exist. They are invisible. We are invisible. So that's why we come to social media platform, that everybody can hear our voice, that we are exist. Our special law, IPRA 8371, is not only ignored, is not only denied. They are saying always a word of, we call of that, they are only given, I can't say in English. But right now, this is only my reasons why come to social media platform. Okay, thank you again, and God bless to everyone. Good night.